Double Diamond Railroad back. Time to switch concrete. We've got to. We've left them unattended to while we did all the lumber and then the metalworks. And now we got to get some concrete cars moved out for the weekend. Get things shaped up here. We're going to make a pool. We got 3 empties and we got to get a load in and then get all the empties lined up together and get this loaded boxcar in. So let's get this guy fired up, the S4 Alco. They sound different today. We got the blower off on the furnace. It'll change the way things sound. And looks like we're lined right. Yeah, we've got 2 loads in a boxcar load to go in. Buttons don't want to work. Might be a little bit moist down here. Kind of cold too. So you've got to come all the way out. So you can clear the switch here. Move these empties over. But to do some sorting, get all the empties grouped together. That will do. It's still moving. Coasting. Okay, we got to throw that switch right there. So we'll take these 2 empties down. We'll cut them. I'm not going to go all the way in, just enough to clear. Put these 2 empties in. Might have been able to, no, there's no more room over there. So let's stop here. And let's reverse and stretch. That'll do. Now we can get in there and uncouple the last 2 cars. And that'll do right there. Go ahead and shove these. Shove these back, 2 loads. And we'll have to come back and store empties. In fact, we could do it right here close so we don't go all the way yet. Just clear the track there. That'll do right there. We'll cut them right there. Go ahead and back out of here with the 2 empties. Put them back over with the other 2 empties. A little bit of classification right here in the plant area. And we'll throw the switch right there. That'll do it's good. Come right back in the hole. A little bit unstable right there on the pads. I'm bumping it around. A little bit jerky. I'm probably a little bit low on sugar. I need lunch. And I've had some caffeine from tea. And the luncheon going to be here until 1:30 at least. So got to hang on. Came down to do this while it's quiet. Okay, that'll do. We can make a cut right there. We're going to cut right there at the boxcar because it's a load. That one was a bear. He didn't want to cooperate at all. Okay, in we go. Okay, we're clear to shove all the way into the plant. Get those loads in there. Oh, we got something dead. Something dead. We ran over something. That's where I was putting grass down yesterday. Probably got a clump in there. Stand by. Okay, let's try this again. Have no idea what that was. I sanded it off with plumber's tape. Felt in the middle. Didn't really see anything. I'd already come out of there, so I don't know what that was. Just a piece of something got up in the wheel. put our first car in there. I think these are ones they can unload two at once. They get it like halfway on both ends. Right there, that's it. They're equal split. They're able to reach that. That's a pretty big pit right there. So now all they have to do is do those and then get the boxcar in for the weekend so they can get more bags of cement out. All these other ones out here are empty. It's got to go back to the yard. So I have to leave it at that. Small session today. Only one issue really, other than the uncoupling being tough. Okay, everybody take care. I hope you're having a great weekend. Happy Sunday. Have a good week coming up. We survived all the storms on Thursday. Didn't develop here. Take care. God bless. Double Diamond Railroad out.